Learning Module 4, Finding the Balance Between Going Mainstream and Targeting a Niche. Your module objectives are to develop an understanding on the differences between going mainstream and targeting a niche, to understand the potential that each of the approaches have, and to develop an understanding on the challenges in the two approaches. Mainstream versus niche. Writing for audiences means having to choose between mainstream topics and more specialized niche topics. This is one of the most crucial decisions you'll have to make as a writer. Each one has its pros and cons as we ask ourselves these two important questions. Should I write an ebook focusing in a specific area, or is it better to write an ebook tailored to a broader range of audiences? Going deep with niches. Writing for a niche-specific audience is a good thing because of the profit potential involved. However, a lot of research is required in collecting the needed details of your particular niche. As such, the kind of writer needed when going deep is someone who has the knowledge about something specific. You can quickly build an online reputation here and be recognized as an expert in the field by using this approach. Niche writing involves a lot of thought on what to write about. It's not necessarily about writing things you like or what people enjoy reading. It's all about providing information to those who want to pay for it. It takes a special kind of writer to come up with good content for niche topics. This means that there is less competition, which is great in terms of making a profit and becoming an established publisher. Apart from enjoying less competition, your audience is also much more targeted and primed to make a purchase, as you are often providing a solution to a problem. Going deep with niches means that your writing will be more manageable, as it will generally be more specific and geared towards a limited segment of the market. On the other hand, as previously mentioned, you'll need to spend a lot of time on research to become an expert. Otherwise, you'll find it difficult to come up with good, compelling content. Niche writing is time-consuming since it requires some heavy thinking and late nights. Another factor to consider is that not all niches are profitable. Making the wrong decision could spell the end of your career right out of the gate. Going wide and mainstream. Going wide means you write for a broader audience. Instead of coming up with topics for teenage girls, you can expand your base to include teenagers in general. This style of writing is more versatile and can fit in any writer's personal style. When you go wide, it's much easier to write an ebook. You can pick up any topic you want and start coming up with contents in a matter of minutes. Keeping this up is easy as well. There's no need for long hours spent on research. Writing for a more mainstream crowd is not without its pitfalls, however. Yes, it's easier to go wide, but this also means you will have a lot of competition and will be more difficult to make money, especially as a newcomer. In addition, marketing and promoting your ebook will be difficult and involves promotional and SEO costs that you will have to budget for. But like anything else, there's always some level of product costs you will face, especially with just getting started. Also, as a new publisher, it will be very challenging for you to build an online reputation as well as a loyal following of readers, making it imperative to have outstanding content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.